Hi guys, welcome back to Wrector. So this is Moksit. I'm gonna give you an update about Bitcoin and the market's present situation after uh, the previous video that I did on Bitcoin. So if you did watch my previous video, we did predict that we will be forming the falling wedge pattern. So just to show you that, if I go into the shorter time frame, while I was doing the video, we were trading somewhere around this area. So I told you that while we were here, that we would complete the falling wedge pattern which I drew prior, and the ascending triangle, where I said in case if BTC is most likely to break, and once it breaks, most of the analytical traders will be pumping in money and most likely pushing Bitcoin up to 44,000. So which took place, and the edge of the wedge, and at the edge of the wedge. So Bitcoin, I also told you that Bitcoin might take a retest to the 42,000s, and which it did. So by then I couldn't do a video at this point because I was busy with some of my personal work, but I did type it on my channel. So if you see, this was the triangle which was created when I got a screenshot of this at the edge of the wedge. So I told them that it is unlikely for people to be pumping money over here, because you see there are two trend line resistance at this place. So most likely people will be selling, and then therefore Bitcoin will drop. So that's what I've written over here. So which happened, right? So let's see what's up with Bitcoin right now. Let's go into the forward charts. So I'm not going to take much time today because I am in a tight schedule as well. So let's see what's up. Let me get rid of these markings over here so we can draw something fresh. Yeah, so right now if you look into the Bollinger Band strategy, Bitcoin has already given us a buy signal. The MACD is crossed already. The RSI is trading above 50, which is giving us a good short-term buying potential. So most likely, I predict Bitcoin will be reaching 44,000 again. I told it on my previous video, we might reach 44, we drop, and then we might reach 44 again. So that's what's happening right now. So let's see what other confirmations that we could get for Bitcoin to reach a little bit of high heights. Let's get into the 1 hour time frame. So if you look into the 1 hour time frame, you see we are having a double bottom over here. So if I draw it for you, here is your leg, here is your horizontal support, here's your leg, and here is the support. So most likely we have already broken the double bottom. Money will be flowing. On the 1 hour chart, if you see MACD was crossed previously, but then it's still going above. The ranges of the MACD lines, the signal line and the MACD line is getting closer. So we know by looking at the histogram, the candle strength, as in the money flowing, is dropping, but then it is consolidating right now. But my prediction is most likely someone might pick up during the next 4 hours to pump Bitcoin to close to 44,000 again. So the RSI is above 50 on the 1 hour chart, which is also showing good buying potential. We are presently trading above the 20 and 50 moving averages, and right now we are to close the candle above the 200-day moving average, which we most likely will, where there will be more confirmations of putting more money into Bitcoin, right? So if you go to a time frame lower, you see the Bollinger Band strategy has been clearly indicated, the buy signal. The MACD has been crossed. The RSI is not oversold, so still there is more buying potential. So if you also look into this, if I let me remove the drawings again. How do you do it? How do you do it? Go here, hide indicators. Yeah, okay, nice. So if you see over here, we also have another pattern, that is a falling wedge. So the candle has been closed above the falling wedge. Right now, this is where money should be flowing. So most likely Bitcoin will be going upwards. Probably retesting 44,000 again, and then most likely we'll have a drop because I don't think anyone wants to hold Bitcoin long term. At least 80% of the traders will be willing to sell and be happy with short term profits. So let's see the Bitcoin versus altcoins. Let's get to BTC down. What's up? Let's go to forward. Right. So right now this is on a sell position, so most likely sell position on a long term. So for BTC dump to drop and BTC to go higher, which means we have good potential for all coins to reach a little bit of heights, I think, which is happening right now. But then let's get into the short term and see what is okay. So if you look in the short term, most likely we are going to have a buy signal on the Bollinger Band strategy. We have a cross on a MACD, and the RSI is at 51. Okay, 50.4. 50.4, that's right. So most likely, if BTC dump is to pump and BTC is to dump, you know what happens? All coins shit, right? So uh, my prediction about Bitcoin is, let's go back to Bitcoin. So most likely money is to flow from here. We might test 44,000 again. People will sell, and then we might drop to 42,008, probably to this resistance level. So there is we have created a new support over here. So this will be our short time support. So most likely we'll reach 44,000 and then immediately drop over here. Uh, but on the time at the time of recording this video, I'm from Asia. So if you look at time New York, so it's early in the morning, right? So I think by 3 hours money will start flowing, and then we'll see the high highs. Probably it might consolidate for 4 hours and then we might drop. That's my prediction for Bitcoin. I'll see you guys with a strategy on my next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, join my channel on Telegram, so whenever I can't post updates on as a video, I will just type it out. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video then. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.